What's going on, YouTube family? So I've had my DJI Nano now for about 7 days, and I just recently took it out yesterday, filmed a little bit from the car, filmed a little bit on the roof in super night mode, and I'm gonna put together a little montage for you guys to watch so that you can see for yourself the quality at night and during the day. I didn't get a really chance to walk around with it, so I shot from the car so you guys can see the different lighting situations, going through a tunnel, coming out of the tunnel, and then going up on the roof, you know, just in low light, what it looks like with that super night mode on. I took a couple of photos with it at night and they look super blurry, so I'm not gonna show those, but so far so good. I'm extremely happy with my purchase, especially only spending $199 for this while it was on sale. And you know, I'm not gonna run through the specs. This camera's been out for 3 months. People have ran through the specs. I don't wanna bore you guys with that. You know what the specs are with this camera, shooting in 4K and in slow-mo up to 120 frames per second. But overall, I have to say this, man, after a week, I really do like the wireless feature where you can actually frame up your shot and see what you're filming over here as you're doing it, where you couldn't do this before with the Action 2. And I still use my Action 2, and because you can see what you're doing on the back of this because of the screen. But I'm still gonna use this until it dies, and it made it convenient having both. That's why I had 2 of these at one time and the other one just died. So that was the reason why I picked up another one. But the reason why I had 2 is because one of the complaints people have about this camera is you fill up the memory, internal memory, and then you gotta charge it, right? Well, that's why I had more than one head on here, but this is replacing that now, because while this is downloading to the memory card, I can still use this one. And I know it won't quite match with the color science and dynamic range, but in all honesty, most people don't pay attention to things that people who actually edit and really play with cameras, most people out there never notice the difference, which is why I don't care. So with that being said though, guys, I'm gonna show you guys a montage of me going out yesterday with this camera, and you can see it in different lighting conditions, again, going in the tunnel, coming out of the tunnel, and just during the daylight, what it looks like, and then at night. So with that being said, guys, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.